You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Italian. This is a sport, or it's a game played with balls. It comes from Italy, and therefore the name comes from Italian originally. So I'm guessing you're here to learn the Italian pronunciation. It's usually pronounced as bocce in English, or bocce as the Americans would say. The Italian pronunciation, so the arguably correct pronunciation, is as bocce. Bocce, it's a double C, so you want to stress on that. And C before an E in Italian is pronounced like CH, so bocce. Some may pronounce it as bocce in English. Italian pronunciation, how to pronounce bocce. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.